Hi guys, Namaste. Welcome to Ankinish Creations. In this video, I'll be touring my craft room with you all. So let's get started. Let's start with this painting. It's a beautiful watercolor painting. I got them from Lisbon and it's right in front of my craft room. So when we enter, I have this side wall of my craft cabinet which I have covered with various pictures and painting, and I'll keep adding to it whatever I feel like. Then if we turn this side, I have my craft cabinet. This is my khazana. We'll start with the top shelf. The top shelf mein are all my packing materials and all the special event like occasional stuff, Christmas, Diwali and all lightings, balloons, all that. Then we come down and I have four of these boxes. One is for fabrics, various types of fabrics. One is for threads, yarns, wool, whatever. Then one is for laces, and this one is like our yadon ka box, all memories and all. And यहाँ पे I have some blank canvases, some frames and some acrylic paper books, अलग-अलग sizes की. And these are my cards, my first ever business cards. These are the wood burning posters. I'll link them in the description box below. These are some stone paintings, some body lotion, keeping it handy because मेरे hands बहुत dry हो जाते हैं जब भी मैं film करती हूँ. This is like miscellaneous box with random stuff which can be used for DIYs. These are some work in progress DIYs which is incomplete right now. I'm making some pendants. They are not for videos, they are for craft market, but पता नहीं अब तो markets कब होंगे. So, and these are some books which can be used for DIYs, some blank small canvases. इसके बाद में है my equipment kind of area. ज़्यादा equipments नहीं है मेरे पास. This is the DSLR camera which I use. This is Nikon D5100. I also have a GoPro. I usually use this while traveling to record some travel vlogs. And this is the light I use, simple. And yeah, some batteries वगैरह. And this is my coin box. उसके नीचे, if we go, there is one more miscellaneous box of things which I just keep कि कभी कुछ DIY में काम आ जाए. If you are a crafter, you will know how much we love to hoard different kinds of things. So यहाँ पे there are some random things which can be used for DIYs. And this is my jute DIY which I did, jute bag painting which I did recently. And इस bag पे मुझे अभी paint करना है. This is the rocks box. If you have been following my channel, you would know that I love stone painting. So there is a collection of rocks here. These are some books like bachpan ki books, some new books, and there's more acrylic paper pads. And this is my bag which I carry for craft markets. इसमें सारा कुछ जो भी मेरे DIYs पे crafts और सब कुछ बना हुआ है वो है. तो if you want to see my craft items collection which I exhibit in markets, let me know in the comment section below. Cabinet का सामान दिखा दिया. अब हम चलते हैं right side की तरफ. This is one corner of the room. ये जो बॉक्स है ना, इसमें I store all of my paintings and painting packing supplies. मैं वो तो नहीं दिखा रही अभी खोल के, बहुत बड़ा हो जाएगा वीडियो. This is just a wooden slab and some decoration. वो जो wooden kind of thing है, उस पे मैंने पहले photographs लगाए हुए थे, but अब वो हटा दिए. अब उसका पता नहीं क्या करना है. And this is my easel and my cap. DIY cap on top of it because मेरे बाल बहुत फ्रिजी है, तो मैं इंट्रो रिकॉर्ड करने से पहले आधा घंटा कैप पहन लेती तो थोड़े मेरे बाल सेटल हो जाते. दिस इज द डेकोर कॉर्नर. फिर नीचे कुछ ऐसे ही इंस्पिरेशन टाइप ऑफ रैक है, मधुबनी बॉक्स. I recently did painting of Madhubani kind of DIY. Check that out, I'll link that in the description as well. And this is a box of tie-dye kit जो मैंने कुछ months पहले खरीदा था, and अब ये सब चीज़ें बहुत काम आ रही है. Literally I'm so thankful कि मैं चीज़ें होल्ड करती थी क्योंकि अभी तो कुछ सामान ले नहीं सकते, तो it has become really handy to hold things at this point of time. फिर यहाँ पे I have a book which I'm reading currently. ये मेरी bullet planner and some craft inspo related books and some painting books. और ये नीचे का कॉर्नर है. This is like one of my students' box. She's 5 years old and she did this painting in one of the class, but उसके बाद classes बंद हो गई तो she couldn't come to collect. And this is Farin's box, his creative box, because whenever I do something in this room, he needs his stuff. उसको भी कुछ न कुछ करना होता है, तो इसमें random clay, colors and वो सब कुछ है. उसके बाद we turn to this corner. So this looks like this right now. I have this roll keeping thing. Don't know what it is called, but I got it from IKEA. It's very inexpensive and it's best to keep all the rolls, like paper rolls and stuff like this in that. Here I have this hanging decor thing. I made this in one of the class which we have in our library last year. This is some normal stuff, some books, my like marker and pencil, थोड़ी बहुत चीजें जो handy रखती हूँ मैं. Miscellaneous craft storage unit. I really love having drawers, small drawers to keep my craft supplies, क्योंकि हम segregate कर सकते हैं थोड़ा बहुत. So I'll show you फटाफट से what is there in each box. I'll not go in much detail. So इसमें there are this bottle paints जो Fevicryl, Hobby Ideas है, Camlin वगैरह के होते हैं. This is ceramic paint. मैंने अभी तक इसको use नहीं किया. I really want to use this in one of the videos. And then we have some glitter, puffy paints, neon liners, outliners, things. We have a clay drawer, mostly clay. So there is a terracotta clay, some polymer clay, Sculpey glaze. में मैंने कुछ extra सामान भी रखे और कुछ ऐसे random भी है. तो neon liners के extra packets, resin hardener kind of thing. मुझे try करना है, मैंने अभी तक try नहीं किया है. Some extra glue sticks, glue guns, and इसमें भी सब कुछ random चीज़ें, pliers, ज्वेलरी बनाने के काम आता है, क्राफ्ट पंचेस, सम ज्वेलरी हार्डवेयर. वी हैव दिस वन. इसमें सब तरह की रूलर्स है, लाइक स्केल्स एंड ऑल. देन सिलिकॉन मोल्ड्स, वेरियस अदर टाइप्स, popsicle stick, wooden clips, small wooden clips and all that. So this is the miscellaneous craft rack. तो मेरा फंडा ये है ना क्राफ्ट रूम में स्टोर करने का कि सब कुछ easily accessible होना चाहिए और दिखता रहना चाहिए, तो ये आइडियाज आते हैं मुझे. So this is my most favorite rack. This is the paint rack. इसमें मेरे सब टाइप के पेंट्स हैं mostly. So these are all acrylic paints which are in tubes. तो मैंने सब मिक्स रखे हैं. This is the latest one which I got on my birthday from Mr. Nishant. These are acrylic paints and like which are big bottles. These are usually used for dot painting, dot mandal painting. And ये watercolor tubes है. And नीचे भी सारे acrylic paints है. And this is my shooting table. बहुत गंदा है. I'm planning to paint this very soon. इसके अंदर I keep all my papers, like designing decorative papers which I use as a background. Some self-adhesive papers, some scrapbooking papers and all that. Then we have these 3 boxes. I have tapes in this one, all kinds of tapes, washi tapes, sellotape, masking tape, duct tape. This I have some of random glues like super glue. I also found glue tack cleaning for this video, which I couldn't find when I did my Madhubani painting video. So yeah, some Elmer's glue, Fevicol and all that. And in this one, it has some miscellaneous stuff, scissors, puncher, some spray bottles, a pouch with pencil, rubber, eraser, all that. This is my मूर्ति, क्या बोलते हैं यार इसको, और मैं इसको ना कभी कभी पेंटिंग करने के लिए यूज़ करती हूँ क्योंकि नीचे बैठ के मुझे बहुत कंफर्टेबल लगता है पेंट करना, तो मैं इसके ऊपर अपना पेपर कैनवस जो भी है रख देती हूँ, और कभी कभी कुछ वीडियो शूट करने के लिए भी बहुत अच्छा है। एंड इसका ये जो बेस है, दिस इज़ वेरी गुड फॉर क्लिकिंग पिक्चर्स ऑल्सो। सो या दिस गोज इन हियर एंड देन वी मूव, एंड दिस इज माय balcony with only 2 plants and some chairs. और इस कॉर्नर में I have 2 yoga mats and my tripod as well. Yoga mat, this yoga mats I use for kids when they come for classes. और इस कॉर्नर में I have good brushes, थोड़े dry type के brushes, but वो कुछ ना कुछ techniques में काम आ जाते हैं। Water वाला jar, and these are my first ever DIY videos on this channel. I really love them till now. And then if we go towards the right side of this desk, I have this fake plant जो pictures लेने में बहुत काम आता है, intro shoot करने में भी बहुत काम आता है, to add some greenery. And उसके ऊपर I have this Madhubani painting DIY hanging. So ये रैक भी IKEA से ही ली है मैंने, तो अब इसमें एक एक करके जाते हैं। तो दिस वन बैक साइड में आई हैव सम POP वाला बाउल एंड प्लास्टर्स एंड वाटर बॉटल ऑल दैट। दिस इज फॉर ऑल स्टिकर्स, सम स्मॉल फोम शीट्स, क्ले टूल एंड डॉट मंडला टूल, सम मोर एक्रेलिक पेंट्स फेविक्रिल वाले। ये जो है ना, दिस इज फॉर माई क्ले क्राफ्ट। इसमें आई हैव सम different sizes of cutting mat, my paper cutter, I really love this. This is so handy to cut papers in even like straight line, बहुत सही रहता है ये। और ये है मेरा स्क्रैप क्ले बॉक्स, इसमें अलग अलग तरह के बाउल्स है, सम डिजाइनिंग, मैं सब चीज़ें इकट्ठी करती रहती हूँ यार, जिससे भी अच्छे पैटर्न्स बन सके। And some talcum powder, some sponges, spoon. Here I have my embellishments box. This is my wood burning tool, जिससे मैंने wood burning coasters बनाए थे। Some cookie cutters, और ये मेरा stamp box है, different kinds of stamps. कुछ टूटी फूटी earrings भी है, but उससे अच्छे prints बन जाते हैं। So below that I have this paper kind of thing, rough papers, and this is like extra box जिसकी कोई जगह समझ नहीं आती, कभी कुछ इनकम्प्लीट DIY होता है या कुछ DIY जिसका कोई मैं अभी कोई यूज़ नहीं है मेरे लिए, तो वो सब इसमें जाता है। And then below that I have one more box of things which can be used for a DIY. Like I got this pins, but I have not used it yet. Some miscellaneous things है, ये जो painting के साथ wooden sticks आते, some old pouch. After that we move on to the 5th rack. So यहाँ पे ना मेरे सारे spray paints हैं, matte finish varnish, some gloss finish varnish, chalkboard paint, Mod Podge, spray adhesive. I love Fevicril का fabric glue. This is so durable. Yeah, I use this thing very much, dishwasher safe Mod Podge, to apply it on like coasters, glass jars which I paint, क्योंकि फिर थोड़ा एक protective layer हो जाता है। उसके नीचे I have this 3 beautiful tins, तो इसके अंदर mostly सब jewelry making वाली चीज़ें हैं। There is some stationery kind of thing, some ball pins, stapler, and उसके बाद if we go to this side, this is my marker वाला section, marker, pencils and all that. So this is the DIY I made, and it's still very durable. सारे Sharpie markers, oil based markers, normal random markers, more markers. This is Sakura Jelly Roll Moonlight pens. These are really good. Easter basket जो मैंने last year बनाया था, इसमें मेरे सारे fabric paints हैं, tulip fabric paints. They are really good and durable. My favorite fabric paints. Fabric markers, and this is also a DIY. This is also going pretty strong till now. I made this last year. Having some more markers, gel crayons, pencil colors, paint markers and all that. Below that I have this basket which has like felt sheets, foam boards and kuch activity books for Farin. So this is how this looks all together. This is where I have started filming my intros recently. This is one whiteboard which I use for writing down video ideas, and uske baad I have my 2-3 साल पहले का birthday gift Nishan got me this whiteboard calendar thing, magnetic, and with that we are back to the door and done with this video. This was my casual and candid craft room tour video. This was my first one. Sorry for if there was any mistake or not a good shot or something like that. But I really loved filming this video. Let me know your thoughts on it and like this video if you liked it, please. And yeah, let me know in the comment section below if you have any questions related to any product or craft supplies or anything in general. Yeah, so I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Love being creative. Please subscribe. Bye.